I, Federico Alfonso Canzonari, do take the Princess Fufu to be my lawful wedded wife.
Do you solemnly swear that you will always keep inviolably secret my name, residence, our relations, and all that I confide in you, not revealing any of these things to your friends and pals without my permission?
Oh, yes, I do.
That I, your princess, do take you to be my prince and husband.
Now, the ceremony of adoration. Let's begin that. Princess, kneel down on one knee, clasp his leg, kiss your husband's boot, and declare that you are enslaved to him forever.
I don't think so.
Oh, but I will gladly enslave myself to you, my love, forever and always.
This marriage will never last. They got the roles completely backwards.
You're so old-fashioned.
She's not old-fashioned. She's just old.
With my baby face, I can never grow old. But sister, with those scowl lines, you can be Methuselah.
Let the hoo-ha begin. Hey!